Good morning, dear students. Your practical is for 30 marks in your board examination, and today I will be telling you how to prepare your practical file. So for preparing your practical file, first thing I am going to show is the type of practical file which you are going to get in the market. So this is the practical file which we are going to get from the market. I am showing it to you, and we are going to prepare our sheets and keep them in this file. I will be showing you two files of two students I am going to show you, and how to make those files, sheets, that also I will tell you. So here I am having two formats for writing the names. This is the horizontal one. You don't need to decorate it like this. The child has unnecessarily decorated it. We don't have any marks or any weightage for this decoration. Actually it should be as simple as this. Vertically you can write your names vertically, that is also correct, or you can write your names horizontally, that is also correct. You can even use pencil for writing your name. Then the next thing, this size which we have to use for making the file is called half imperial size. For obtaining this sheet, what we have to do is, we'll take a complete chart paper. We have to take a complete chart paper. There are two ways you can fold it. You can fold it in this way, but if you fold it in this way, it will be a long and thin sheet, which is not correct. So you have to fold it in this manner, and then the part which is joined has to be kept up, and the neck and the part which is open on both the ends, that has to be kept downwards. I am showing you one more file. You can see here. In this file the figures are a little bit darker, so maybe you will be able to see something better. So here it is, you can see. Now one important thing which I want to show you is, this distance margin is 20 mm. Margin here is 10 mm. The margin here is also 10 mm, and here it is again 10 mm. Now this title block, I'll be sending you the details of this title block also, but I'm telling you this is 185 mm. This height is 65 mm, but it is after this 10 mm. I'm showing you one more sample which is wrong. Please don't do this mistake. In this file, you can see the child has started the title block right since the bottom of the sheet. The child didn't continue with the margin or the boundary line of 10 mm. This is wrong. I'm once again asking you to pay attention to this, that this pattern is wrong. The right thing is to leave 10 mm of border and then make this title block. All the details of this title block will be available on both the groups, Google Classroom as well as your WhatsApp group. Okay, and these, as far as these questions are concerned, I am showing you, you have all of them, all these questions are there in your textbook. I'll show you this chapter in your textbook. It is in the name of this isometric drawing and third missing view. Practicals in your textbook, isometric drawing and third missing view. This is the name of the chapter. While just before our summer vacations or summer break, we studied these few questions from this chapter. So I'll show you. We have till last year we had 15 questions from board exam, from prescribed from CBSE board, but this year only 10 questions are to be covered in the practicals. So those 10 questions are question number 1 to 10, and I'll be putting those 10 questions on our group as well as on Google Classroom. The only thing missing in our textbook is the projectors, and those projectors I'll show you in the file which you have to make. In class 11 you learn how to make the projectors. So see, the projectors are to be added. The projectors are there, so the projectors are to be taken from top view to side view, or from side view to top view, whatever is missing, and from front view to side view as well as to the top view. So you can see the placing has to be very good. The sheet is quite big, you won't have any problem placing the things. Front view, top view and side view are placed very nicely. Labeling is done. Then the isometric view is made very nicely centrally. It has to be positioned, and you all can make your file in the same manner. Only 10 questions have to be made. Till last year 15 questions were made, and I'll be sending all these details to you in our group.